Hello guys, hope we are doing great. I'm Sampath. Today I will show you how to collect our targeted e-commerce stores decision makers information using StoreLeads and Apollo. If you watch this video up to end, you will understand everything clearly. Or if you want me to help with targeted e-commerce stores information or e-commerce stores decision makers information, you can directly approach me. I'm mentioning my contact details in the video description box. You can directly message me on WhatsApp. You can just click this link and it will redirect to my WhatsApp, or you can approach through other social media platforms. Now let us jump into the e-commerce list building. For example, if you can see here, this is a store leads website. Already I have subscribed to store leads elite plan so that I can have a chance to access all the data. So we are going to use store leads filters to collect targeted companies information. Once we collect from store leads, then we will go to the Apollo and we can collect targeted decision makers information using Apollo. Now I'm going to the store leads first. I'm going to filter my targeted company's information. So for example, I want uh, stores like related to uh, alcohol beverages e-commerce stores, in particularly in United States. So now I'm going to show you how to filter I'm targeted ones. First, I'm going to the country. So here I'm selecting my targeted country, United States. So if you want, we can filter based on all the filters. Actually, they have multiple filters here. So next I'm going to the, if you want Shopify WooCommerce, we can select those. But for this particular requirement, I need everything. So next I'm going to the category. So here, if you can see here, we have different categories. We can use our targeted category. For this requirement, I need to go to the food and drink. Next beverages. So these are the subcategories. Food and drink is a main category and beverages is subcategory. Now alcohol beverages. So these are my targeted companies actually. So now we have that 23,000 stores actually. So now I don't want all the 23K. I want only the stores with good revenue, and I want to skip stores who are not earning money or stores with large amount of revenue. So I need medium sized companies. So for that, what I'm going to do is I need to go to the revenue estimated sales. So here I'm just simply selecting here 50K to 100K. So here I don't have a chance to select multiple ones actually. So now I'm going to the advanced settings. So now here I can adjust the however I want. For example, I need stores who are earning minimum 20K. Okay. Next, stores with minimum 1 million, actually maximum 1 million. So here in this means like I'm skipping stores with have less revenue, and here I'm sticking with like stores with have less than 1 million revenue stores actually. So we are not collecting small ones and we are not collecting extremely large ones. We are collecting only the medium ones here. So now I'm clicking execute to search. So now we have 9,768 based on our targeted results. So overall is like 23K around. Now based on our requirement, we have 9,700 something. So now we have our targeted companies. So if you can see here, if you can see these domains, you can have a chance to understand these are the right targeted ones or not. Okay, now I'm going to export this report, this company's report. If you want, we can only select few, or we can select everything. If you want all the columns like standard fields, social media fields, page URL fields, and product fields. And here we can simply select export. So once we select upload, export, we can have a chance to see the file here. So now I'm opening this file here. So now we can have a chance to see all the information, like different fields we can have a chance to see. So this is very good for research purpose actually. So now we can see the domain names, domain emails, domain URLs, category name. So we can see the combined followers count. We can see the store office email IDs. These are the support email IDs too. We will get estimated sales, Facebook URL, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter. So we can see the product related fields, page related fields, everything here. So now we can utilize we can utilize this data also for marketing purpose. So now we have collected targeted companies. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to little down. If you can see here, these are the shop dot something like. I want to skip these ones actually. No, I'm going to remove these ones, these websites, shop dot ones. So I'm gonna remove shop.1 something. Okay, here up to here I'm removing all this. So now I'm deleting all this. Now here we have 9096 something, right? Now I'm copying all this 9096. See, if you can see here, I'm just selecting everything. I'm not clicking. You might wonder like why I can click A and I can copy everything once, right? I don't need to drag and select, right? But there is a reason why I'm doing like this. So I will show you that also. Now I'm selecting all the 10K. So 1500 up to 1, we will select like this. So now I'm copying all these domains. Now I'm going to the Apollo. So now if you can see here Apollo, right? So now I'm going to the company column. So here I have already filtered few things actually. Management level, I have filtered owner, founder, CCU partner, VP head, senior director ones. And I have mentioned the location in United States. So why I have mentioned here is these things. So make sure if you mention the United States means here we will get the United States ones. Make sure here also contacts we will get it from United States only. So I skipped the entry level and management level. So I have selected the owner, founder, partner level ones. Now I'm going to the company. Now once I click the company filter, so I'm going to the include and exclude. So here I'm pasting all these domains. So now here I have pasted and clicking save and search so that we can see these domains decision makers information. See here, if you can see here, if I select everything here, copy here, it might copy these fields too. So if we can paste it, this on Apollo, it might take a lot of time to load. So that's why I simply copy. Instead of that, I will simply copy and paste there. So now I'm clicking save and search. You can see here, syncing the results, I think. So it will take a few minutes to load everything. So now here 1.3 million, 13 million data, right? Previously, like these fields. So now we are filtering decision makers based on our targeted domains only. Now we can see our total results are like 5.7K. So this is new set means that saved means like the data which we have already previously saved. New set means the data which we didn't save it. The total means like a 5.7 means total data, overall data. So now I will simply go to the saved ones and I will show you how to download the file and I will show you how to the file looks like, how the file looks like. Saved ones. So these are the data. So now if you want to download all this data, we can simply select all these ones. No, I'm just simply showing you actually. So if you want originally, if you want like we need to save this 5.7K. So I'm just simply showing you. That's why I'm downloading only this already previously saved data. Now I'm clicking apply so that now everything will select. So once it's selected, we can have a chance to download the file, that 3.3K data. So now I think you are following, right? We have collected our targeted domains from store leads. Here we filtered our targeted domains and we went to that again next this Apollo and we are trying to find out those companies' decision makers information. So we have selected all. So now here, once we select all, we can simply export the data. So you can see here, please click the button below to start the export 3,211 records. Export all email IDs and export verified email IDs only. Now suppose for example, I'm clicking export verified email IDs only. I'm clicking the export records. It will take a few minutes to load everything actually. It will take few minutes to download the file. So now we can see this process needs to finish up to here. I think it might take, sometimes it might take 3, 4, 5 minutes. Sometimes it may take more time also. So that depends on our internet connectivity too. Now this file I already downloaded previously. I will open and show you to that file meanwhile. So here I will go to the downloads. Here this is the file. I have already previously downloaded that file. So now you can see all the data actually which are available here, like first name, last name, job titles. You can see the job title, owner, co-founder, founder. This is pretty good, right? So these are our targeted company's information. Founders, vice president, director, founder, co-founder. So we have pretty good job titles information here based on our targeted companies. So you can see the companies names here. So brewing company like wine. There are many. You can say like if you can read this one, so you can say these are the right companies or not easily. So Coke Trends and all. So we can easily say these are the right targeted companies. So we have this email IDs, direct email IDs, decision makers email IDs. We have the seniority level. So we have company phone number, we have employee size, we have industry, we have keywords here, we have other social media information here, we have the location we have. So revenue, how much approximate revenue we have. So this is Apollo data actually. So this is not the, I mean, this is the decision makers information. So if we can grab up to n, you can see here 3,222 results. So this is pretty much about everything. So hopefully you'll understand everything, right? So this is still being processing. So it might take a few minutes to load. Now you can see. So it might take more 1 minute to finish everything. So I will wait and I will show you actually up to n. So now here we can download the file. We can simply download the file. Here you can see the same file actually. This is the file already I have downloaded. This is the same file I'm going downloading. So once it's downloaded, we can have a chance to simply see the data. So now you can see the same that this is also same file only. So you can see all the information here. So if I can scroll down up to end, here you can see the data. So hopefully you are clear, right? Hopefully you'll understand everything. So first we collected targeted domains from store. It's based on targeted filters. Then we went to the Apollo, and here also we collected targeted decision makers based on our targeted companies, which we downloaded from store leads. So this is the file. So make sure verify Apollo data and use it. Like for example, I use this tool to verify. I also have multiple other tools, verification tools to verify the Apollo data. So make sure if you are running cold email campaigns and all, make sure verify Apollo data and run email campaigns after that. So hopefully you'll understand everything. So if you have any comments, if you have any doubts, please comment in the video comment section, or if you need my services, please contact me. Like as I said, I mentioned my contact details here. You can directly message me on WhatsApp, or you can approach me through other social media platforms. And thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Bye. See you on next video.